These are the two fuzzy numbers which is called A and B, and we need to add these two fuzzy numbers using the extension principle. And once you added these two, you will get another fuzzy number called C. For doing this, in first step we create a table, and in support of A we create as many rows as possible. For example, you can see here the element 1 membership function value is 0.3, so we put 0.3 in our first row. In similar way, for element 5 we got membership function value 0.3, so we put 0.3 in this fifth row. In support of B, we create as many columns as possible, and just like previous one, we fill this column using this membership function value. For example, in element 7 we got membership function value 1, so we put 1 in this column. And one thing need to be mentioned here, there is no element called 1, 2, 3 and 4 in this set B, so we just put 0 in this cell. So once we put all these values, then the table look like this one. And now we need to figure out the membership function value for each element. For example, we need to know the membership function value of element 9. Then what are the possible way to get 9 from this table? There are a few possible ways. You can think about this cell. These y is 8 and x is 1. If we added these two, you will get 9. You can also consider this cell. In this case, y is 7 and x is 2. So these are the possible way to get 9 from this table. So we only consider this part. And in step 2, you just take the minimum value in each cell. Okay, take the minimum value in each cell. Then and finally, once you have those minimum, then take the maximum among those minimum. Okay, in this case we'll get 0.7, and this 0.7 is indicating the membership function value for element 9. So we repeat this process again, and in this time we'll calculate the membership function value for 8. So these are the possible way to get 8 from this table. Okay, so again we just take the minimum value in each cell and consider the maximum one. So these are the minimum value, and if you consider the maximum value among all these value, you'll get 8.6, and this 0.6 is the membership function value for element 8. So if you just repeat this process in all possible combination, then the final output look like this one. In this tutorial we will see how to calculate 8 and 9, but you need to go through all this rest of the element also. Thank you.